Hey guys, Spiritual Path Seeker here. I was out rockhounding in Baltimore City and I stumbled across what must have been an old glass factory or something. They were making things like, I guess, the bottle closers. Oh no, I guess it would be the other way around. Pop this in the top. Or they had these lots of little bottles. But I didn't keep any of that stuff. I just found, like, as a rock hound, I was like astounded by how beautiful some of this glass is. And so you've got this blue one. Gosh, could you imagine if that were a mineral? And the red. At one point in the past, they used to put a little gold in red glass to give it the color. And of course this dark green, translucent. I don't know what this thing is, but it's miraculously complete except for the top. The top would have had this little knob on it. Found one of those with the knob. And this one is like this color green. It really lights up under a UV light, becomes bright green, but I think that color probably comes from the 1950s or 60s. I don't think we would use it now, that color. And this one was just sitting there on the ground. You can see it's got striations and stuff, almost like agate. And I don't need to polish it or anything. It's already polished. So, I mean, like, that's a keeper, I think. I mean, that's just like a really cool piece. I don't know what you can use it for. Maybe some sort of doorstop. I don't know, but it's really cool. And it's nice and flat on the bottom. And then finally, these blue ones, just beautiful. This is the kind of color the bromo seltzer bottles are made of. So you can take over the whole screen, as you can see. So I mean, like, that color, it's just a mysterious color. And this was a very mysterious clump of that same color. See how it's like a deep mystery inside. You could definitely get psychedelic on that one. This one's like, man, that's a keeper. I think I'll probably keep this one, and I'll keep I'll keep this one, and definitely these super beautiful blue, green, red, and probably like this guy too. But I can't keep all this glass. But man, I'm not a glass collector at all. But I would say it's worth checking out if you run across some glass. And maybe I should throw some of this into the ocean so it can become sea glass or something. Okay, this is a bonus. I'm gonna do that kind of light green clump. The other one, this little object, and then a clear piece. I'm gonna put them under UV light so you can see what happens. Violet light on and see what happens. There you go. The big green one gets green, the little guy gets green. He's even more bright, I think. Then this guy, you have to kind of put it a little closer to him or her, whatever. That one gets a little green. That was the clear one.